Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox with another classic car AI video. I'm producing this AI video with my AI tools to show you how our AI image and video generating tools work. At the end of the video, I will give you instructions on how you can request I produce a free AI custom video for your favorite classic car, and give you these AI video generating tools for free so you can produce your own AI videos. And that's not all. Give you a ready-to-go AI profit opportunity where I will do the selling for you. Okay, let's check out Marty Bostick's 69 black Camaro red leather on seats, red door panels, red center console, red dashboard with a big block 396 cubic inch V8 classic dream car. Marty Bostick is the co-owner of Amplify AI Workshop, so I want to make sure he gets an AI classic car video of his favorite classic. Side note, all of our Free and Plus members can request their own free AI classic car video by giving me the details of their classic dream car. The details of the black 1969 Camaro with red leather interior largely depend on whether it is a factory-style restoration or a modern resto mod build, as this specific color combination was not a common factory option. Here's the general description. This combination is a popular choice for custom builds, offering a striking high contrast look. The exterior is typically a deep glossy black, often accentuated with chrome or occasionally matte black trim for a more aggressive appearance. The interior is customized with red leather, which can range from bright red to a more subdued garnet, usually featuring bucket seats and matching door panel inserts. Here's the custom/Restomod details. Most black Camaros with red leather interiors are custom builds, Restomods, and feature numerous modern upgrades. Here's the interior features. The seating. Custom TMI or similar aftermarket bucket seats, often with modern bolstering, red stitching, and sometimes suede or Alcantara inserts. The upholstery. Extensive use of red leather on seats, door panels, center console, and sometimes the dashboard. The technology. Upgrades often include Dakota digital gauges, modern sound systems, power windows, locks, digital review mirrors, vintage air conditioning, and sometimes heated seats. The console. Custom center consoles are common, featuring cup holders, specific shifters, and integrated controls for modern accessories. Here's the mechanical and performance. The engine. Common engine swaps include modern GMLS series engines, like an LS3, for reliable high performance, though some retain period-correct big blocks, e.g. a 396 CIV8. The transmission. Upgraded transmissions are frequent, such as 6-speed Tremec manual or modern automatic transmissions, like a 4L60. Suspension and brakes. Many feature full Pro Touring suspension kits, coilovers, rack and pinion steering, and high-performance braking systems, e.g. Willwood disc brakes, for improved handling and stopping power. The wheels, tires. Custom 18-inch or 20-inch aftermarket wheels are common, with wider tires in the rear to handle the increased power. Factory-style restorations. In rare cases, a black 1969 Camaro might have a red interior built to look like a factory deluxe or standard interior. The exterior. The paint would be a period-correct GM black. The interior. While red was a factory interior color option, accounting for only 3% of standard interiors and 0.5% of deluxe interiors, it would originally have been a vinyl material, not true leather. The interior would feature original-style bucket seats, basic door panels, standard, or molded door panels with integral armrests, deluxe, and period-correct instrumentation. Ultimately, the details are unique to each specific car, but the combination itself is a statement of custom style. Want to have me create a free custom? artificial intelligence generated classic car or truck image and or video for you that you can share with others? Keep watching to learn how. If you dream about owning a classic car from your younger years, I will produce an AI video for free that you can share with your friends and family. If you own a classic car or truck and want me to produce an AI video of your favorite classic, give me a photo and I will showcase it in your video for free. Then you can share the video with your friends and family. If you own a classic car and want to sell it, I will produce an AI video of your car by giving me the photo and I will showcase it in your video for free. Then I will teach you how you can share your video throughout the internet or at car shows. This AI video works great for those who are looking to buy a classic car or truck for themselves, for resale, or for restoring. I will produce your AI video with the make, model, year, and color you are looking for. Or if you wish, I will just keep it generic. Then I will teach you how to share your video on the internet and car shows for maximum exposure. Okay, now it's time to talk about the several profit opportunities using these AI image and video generating tools. Yes, the AI tools I use to produce this AI-generated video you are watching right now. One of my several passions in my life is classic cars and trucks. I love going to classic car shows and museums, walking around looking at those classics from my teenage years. So I decided to turn that classic car passion into an AI profit opportunity, creating AI videos with my AI Workshop affiliate referral link in the video. If you are just interested in the classics and could care less about the AI profit opportunity, that's okay. I'll still produce a free custom AI generated classic car image and or video for you that you can share with your friends and family. Plus, I will give you the AI tools for free so you can produce your own AI videos. But if you are interested in an AI profit opportunity for your passion in life, whether it be classic cars or trucks, cooking, sports, affiliate marketing, crafts, consulting, or any side hustle, then keep watching to learn how. However you want to use these AI video generating tools, you will want to join our Amplify AI Workshop for free. Then find your affiliate referral link and program it into every AI video you produce. Now you will earn 40% monthly residual income when your viewers of your AI videos joins through your referral link, then becomes a Plus member. It's free to join and earn. You will find the referral link in the description of this video. This is the first of several AI profit opportunities you have with our AI Workshop. Keep watching to learn about another way. I understand that most of you have your own passion in life and want to use these AI tools to promote those passions. But why not use my already made, ready to earn, artificial intelligence classic car marketing system to start earning AI profits today while building out your AI videos for your passions? The classic car market is a multi-billion-dollar global industry, valued around $30 to $40 billion annually and growing, with a massive U.S. base of millions of collector cars worth over $1 trillion, seeing increased online sales and interest from younger buyers, driving demand for modern classics and supercars alongside traditional vintage models. Classic cars and enthusiasts can be found just about anywhere. Car shows, auctions, online dealers, Facebook Marketplace, car clubs, swap meets, museums, just to name a few. Even if you are not a classic car enthusiast, there are millions of classic car enthusiasts waiting for you to offer them a free AI video for their favorite classic car or truck to buy for themselves, sell, restore, or just to show off to their friends and family. Here's how it works. This AI profit system is completely duplicatable. As an Amplify AI Workshop Plus member, I will produce a AI marketing video, maybe like this one, placing your Amplify AI Workshop affiliate link in the description of your video, allowing you to earn 40% monthly residual income when the viewer of your video then becomes a Plus member. This is a powerful, duplicatable marketing system where I do the selling for you and your organization. All you do is share this video with those millions of classic car enthusiasts at the locations I talked about earlier in the last scene. When they join through your affiliate referral link, I will personally contact them and ask if they want me to produce a free AI classic car video for them. I will also notify you that you have a member in your AI workshop organization, so you can also contact them, letting them know how great this AI profit marketing system is. Now, to help you recruit others into your Amplify AI Workshop organization, I'm going to create QR code templates, like the one shown in this scene, customized just for you. Now pause this video. Open your phone and the camera and take a picture of the QR code to see how this QR code card works. As a Plus member, I will create this QR code card just for you, programming your AI video in that card, and of course your affiliate referral link. I will give you the template to download, of which you can then print out on cardstock. These QR code cards are perfect to hand out at car shows, auctions, car dealers, car clubs, swap meets museums, just to name a few. Okay, let's get started. If you would like a free AI video for your classic car or truck, find the referral link in this video and join the AI workshop for free. I will then contact you in a chat with the info I need to produce your free classic car or truck AI video. Once your AI video is ready, I will post it in the community area. So you can then copy the video link and share it with your friends, family, and business associates. I'll be waiting for you inside. To your success, Harvey Silver Fox,